Hey CupCut creators, welcome back to our channel. Today we start your mug designs with a cult trick, adding text to speech. You think your mugs not only look great, but also speak loudly. Let's dive in. Open your CapCut application on your device and confirm that you are logged into the application. Opening the application, click on the New Project option to start a new masterpiece of yours. When you open a new page, select any video or image and confirm to add you. Now, in order to create a text that speaks, we must first type the text and how to do it. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the option and click on it. Then you will click on the Add Text option and insert the text that you want to be heard in the video. When you are done searching for text-to-speech option and click on it, a new page will open with the offered voices such as male, female, and other voices. It's up to you to choose which one you want and click on it. Click on the selected voice that performs as you read the text you entered. And that's it. If you found this trick exciting, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more CupCut hacks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single future tutorial. Thanks for watching and have fun adding votes to your mug creations.